Hello, it's Tony here, and in this video we are going to create some more of those all-important links back to your website. And we're going to do that using a type of website which is free. They're called Web 2.0 websites or Web 2.0 properties. And what we're going to do is use the article that you've already written for ezine articles, and we're going to slightly rewrite that, and we're going to use it here and generate some links. So I've provided a list of Web 2.0 websites for you. Just choose one of those at random. In this case, I've chosen this one here, blog.co.uk, and there will be a registration usually, so just enter your details as normal. They will usually send an email asking you to confirm it. That's a standard procedure. So let me just quickly log in and we'll get cracking on it. Okay, so once you're logged in, just look for a little button that will be something like create your weblog, and then you'll be taken to a little page where you can start to enter your details. So here in this case I'm going to choose enter your keyword here, your keywords that we looked at in the first video. So I've got pressurized central heating. Next. And then in this case I can choose which particular extension I want to use. So I'm just going to choose, for this case, a UK extension, and you'll see that it was going to create a blog, blog.co.uk, and then it will be / pressurized central heating. And it's very important that we have our keyword here in this particular link. Okay, so on to the next one. And then you can choose the particular category that you require. So just choose that and then select next, and then you'll be taken to a page where you can actually enter all of the details. But before we go into that, let me just quickly show you why it's important that we rewrite the content and how to do that. So if we go back to our original article that we have submitted to ezine articles, when you submit something to ezine articles, they pretty much demand that it's unique content. So anything that we anything that we use based on that article subsequently, we just need to slightly rewrite it to make sure that we preserve the integrity of the original content that we have submitted to ezine articles. So in this case, I've just rewritten the title from pressurized central heating quick 5-point checklist to pressurized central heating quick checklist. And likewise, I've just rewritten this paragraph here. Just a few changes here and there. Instead of pressurized central heating are extremely popular due to their ease of maintenance, I can now write one of the main benefits of pressurized central heating is that they are very easy to maintain and economic to run as long as they are installed and maintained correctly. So we're just changing it slightly to make sure that it's unique. I don't want you to spend too much time on this. Just a few minutes, just running through the original article, just to make it slightly different from this one. Okay, so let's go back now and enter that. Okay, so here we are, and we've got our rewritten title here. We enter some keywords in here. That's important as well. But the main thing that we want to do, we've got our content here, so we've entered that, and you'll see here that I've highlighted my keyword, pressurized central heating. Okay, if you just highlight that and just click on this little link button here, this is what we're doing. This is what we want to do. We want to make sure that we link back to our website. So you just enter your URL. Just link to your home page at the moment, and then you just click on update, and you'll see. Remember, this is our anchor text, pressurized central heating. That's what we're trying to get ranked on, and that will link. The search engines will pick up that link, pressurized central heating, and then they will see that it's going back to our website, and that's exactly what we want to happen. Okay, so it's very important. Now, in terms of the number of times that you use your keyword, don't use it any more than two or three absolute maximum in your article. Otherwise, they could think that you're sort of trying to game the system, and we don't want that. It needs to be nice and natural, and it needs to appear and read naturally in the text as well. So that's all there is to it. And then at the end, you can format it as well, however you want to. You can maybe put some bold or some bullet points or whatever it may be in there. But we just need to make sure we're getting those links back, and then you can publish it. Okay, that's all. It's really, really easy. Just rewrite that article. Don't go mad though. Submit it to one of those Web 2.0 properties, and off you go. Just do it for one for the moment though, okay? As always, would welcome your comments, your feedbacks, your questions. We do read them. We will get back to you. You can just enter them in the space below. Okay, thank you very much then, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.